I would say that I've always felt a connection to nature. I wanted to be a part of helping others find that for themselves. My name is Sam Verutti. I'm a clinical therapist at Open Sky. I'm a licensed clinical social worker, and I work with adolescent boys. I worked as a field guide at Open Sky for nearly 4 years, and throughout that time, I became more and more fascinated by this work. It was incredible, experiencing what it did for my life, and then being able to witness that in students time and time again. There's so much that can come from removing a person from their comfort zone. And really, what we're doing is removing them from the problematic systems that weren't working back home, whether that was their social system, the family system, or the education system. We're then placing them in a safe and supportive environment that is surrounded by healthy influences where they can explore who they truly are. The time in wilderness and within the group allows students an avenue for reflection, for them to explore what hasn't been working for them, and to begin working on a healthy outlook on themselves and how they navigate their environment. With that, we're focused on crafting a healthy culture within the team that supports students' healthy development. I would describe my approach with students as relational. I'm direct with students, and I'm also really compassionate. I find that when I'm able to show up direct and from the heart, students tend to respond really well. I find the same results with the parents that I work with. Above all, I think that they can feel that I'm coming from a place of care. What I value most is just the growth that takes place out here. I've worked in a number of different settings, as a therapist in the public school system, as an outpatient child and adolescent therapist, as a therapist in substance use treatment. From my experience, there's nothing that compares to the work and the growth that takes place out here, and that continues to inspire me. I also value the approach we take in addressing the family system. I believe that separates us from many of the other wilderness programs that exist out there. Students can do amazing work in the field, but it takes work from the entire family to support that growth. My experience working with students and families serves as a constant reminder that this is life work. It never stops. And it's incredibly inspiring to see students and families so dedicated to this work and to this process. And still, we all have our blind spots. We're human, and in that sense, I truly believe that there's no greater work in this world. I constantly get to witness students and families show up with willingness to be open, vulnerable, and there for one another. There is so much positive in that, and I'm extremely grateful to be a part of it.